Hi everyone, it's Henry Purchase here, founder of SEOSpace, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change and optimize URL slugs on Squarespace. Before we get into that, first of all, what are URL slugs? Now, your URL slug is a unique identifier for a page that shows up in the search bar here. So for example, for this page, my URL is gardenershrewsbury.co.uk, and then my URL slug is this little bit here. So unless it's your home page, every single page on your site will have a unique URL slug that's a unique identifier for that specific page. Now, when it comes to optimizing your URL slugs on Squarespace, in general, you want your slugs to be between 3 and 6 words. So for example, here you can see this slug is 2 words long, so we need to lengthen it a little bit. And you want your URL slug to include the main keyword you want to rank for. And the reason for this is we want our URL slug to be relatively descriptive, so it's clear to users and to Google what this page is about and what it should rank for. And of course, it also needs to include our primary keyword. So we're literally making it extremely clear to Google, hey Google, this is what this page is about and here's what it should rank for. So for example, as you can see here in SEO tasks, SEOSpace is flagged that we need to change the URL word count on a specific page. Now, this is a recommended task, so it's not something critical that you absolutely need to fix. As you can see here, the URL word count is 2, and we need to make it between 3 and 6 words. So all we need to do here is press View Scan, and SEOSpace is going to automatically open up on that web page on the Squarespace editor. And of course, what we need to do is change the URL so it's between 3 and 6 words. So just going back to this page, as you can see, it's opened up here on that specific web page, the one that I just showed you where the URL was 2 words. SEOSpace is opened, and as you can see here, it says your URL word count is 2. Try to make it between 3 and 6 words to make it clear and concise. Now, you will also need to set up a 301 redirect. If you are going to change your URL, there's a tutorial here showing you how to do that. And all you'll need to do is come over to settings. Here in general, you can see URL slug, and there you'll need to increase it to the recommended length. So for example, here I could either add services there, or maybe I could add it at the beginning. And then after that, press save, rescan using SEOSpace, and then hopefully my score will go up to 100. So there you are, guys. That is how to edit your URL slug on Squarespace, how to optimize it for SEO. And then once you've done that, all you'll need to do is go back to SEO tasks. If you use the plugin, you'll need to rescan, but on the dashboard, you just need to update task lists so that your tasks reflect your latest score on the SEOSpace dashboard. So there you are, guys. If you've got any questions, feel free to just click on support in the bottom right hand corner, and we'll be more than happy to help. Subscribe to SEOSpace's YouTube channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.